What's up, everybody? Justin Reed with Delta Team Tactical here today. We're going to be talking about a really cool product that we carry from a really cool brand that we carry. This is the Sylvan Arms 9mm conversion block for an AR-15 lower receiver. So the purpose of this is to take a normal, standard, like mil-spec AR-15 lower receiver and change it from accepting regular AR mags to accepting 9mm Glock mags. If you've built ARs, if you know a lot about ARs, you're probably familiar with the fact that you can build them in a bunch of different calibers. The most common being 5.56 or 223, which is what this one is for, and it takes a wider magazine, standard AR 5.56 magazine. You can also build an AR-15 chambered in 9mm, which takes a very different magazine. So in the event that maybe you already have a mil-spec lower receiver, maybe you can't find a 9mm lower receiver, or maybe the 9mm lower receivers are just more expensive and you're trying to build on a budget. Whatever the reason is, this is going to be a great solution for that. So I'm just going to show real quick kind of how it works and what it does. So this here is the conversion block, and it's going to slide right up into your mag well on your lower receiver. You're going to lock it into place with the mag release, and it's just going to sit in there just like that. And then you're going to be able to take your Glock mags, any Glock compatible mags, and slide them right in there, and you'll be good to go. It's important to note that using this conversion kit does not change anything on your upper receiver. So you will still need a 9mm upper. You'll need a barrel chambered in 9mm. You'll need a BCG for 9mm. But as far as your lower receiver goes, this is just a quick, easy conversion from a mil-spec standard AR-15 lower receiver into something that is 9mm compatible. Once you have your mag in there, this little trigger mechanism here, you're just going to pull that, you can slide your magazine out, put your next one in. Easy, clean, simple, just like that. So that is the Sylvan Arms 9mm conversion block to convert your mil-spec standard AR-15 lower receiver into 9mm compatible.